Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. So do you have a fast food business? Then this video is just for you. Because in this video, I have created an AI assistant that you can see on the window that will automatically reply to the queries I receive on WhatsApp from my customer, leads or clients. So without wasting any time, let me show you how this assistant is going to automatically reply to all my queries. So my first question is, do you serve burgers in your fast food restaurant? Okay, so this is my first query towards this AI assistant bot. It will take few seconds to give the reply back to me, so let me show you the answer. I have received the reply, yes, Urban Bite Kitchen serves burgers. Our burger menu classic, you can see right away this is the menu, and I've received the other reply. I have one more question, that is, where can I place the order? So this is my next question I'm asking. So now let's see what this AI assistant replies. The orders are handled by our support team. To place the order, please call, send a WhatsApp message on this number. Our team will help you with the item selection, customization, payment and confirmations. So I have received a reply for this query as well. My last thing is, can I place the order for takeaway? Okay, so this is my next question. I will wait for the reply. Yes, you can place the order for takeaway. Here is how I can do that with the useful details. Everything is mentioned over here in the reply. So this is how this AI WhatsApp assistant is going to immediately answer to the queries that you will receive for your fast food restaurant from your customers as well. You do not require an entire support team to handle all the queries anymore. This WhatsApp AI assistant will do everything for you. So now without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing assistant. So I'm already on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. I create assistants and chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow for a very long time now. I have created hundreds of chatbots and assistants using this amazing software. If you want, you can also create amazing WhatsApp chatbots without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. In order to access Pabbly Chatflow, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow, and the landing page like this will appear in front of you. If you do not have an account with us, simply sign up for free from here. You will get 100 free credits every month to test the features of Pabbly Chatflow without paying any cost. That means you can create this AI assistant right away as well. Test it out from your end, how it is answering to the queries. And if you like using Pabbly Chatflow and you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans, you can purchase our plans right away. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen, ANGYT, is added in the description section as well. That will get you amazing and instant discounts. Go ahead, use the codes, purchase our plans and automate your WhatsApp conversations. So I've already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now if you want to learn how you can create the entire setup, that means add your WhatsApp number and learn about the features of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the video links I've added in the description section below. Now to create an AI assistant, go towards this AI assistant section right here. Now after coming to this section, create the assistant from this add button. Name the assistant right over here. I will name it as fast food restaurant as my assistant name and add the assistant from here. As soon as I will do that, you will see in front of you an AI assistant is going to be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now we need to fill in certain sections and the assistant creation will be easily done. Type over here is going to be AI agent under AI instructions. Next is instructions. You have to enter the roles and responsibilities of this AI type that you have selected. If you want, you can eliminate, add in or edit the points given over here as well. Okay, AI configuration first is temperature, which is a range between 0 to 1, 0 being focused replies, 1 being creative replies from the assistant towards our customers. I will select the temperature as 0.5 because I want both creative and focused replies. AI to use, there is only one option, OpenAI, selected. Model, I will be using GPT-5 mini. You need to have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this AI assistant. API key, to have the API key, go directly towards this hyperlink. You will come towards the OpenAI API keys page. Let me log in. After coming to the OpenAI API keys page, create the key from this top button right over here. Name the key whatever you want. Select the project, give permissions as all. After creating the key, copy this key from here, paste it down in the field and click on this connect button. That's how the connection is created. AI assistant settings, if you want header footer message with all the messages, you can toggle the button on. If you want to add in the stop keywords, you can toggle this button on. And if you want to add the retry attempt, you script, toggle the button on retry attempt. Last is fallback message. This message that is entered, you can edit it as well. Is only going to be forwarded if the AI assistant API key is not responding. Okay. First setup of AI instructions is done. Let's move on to our next one, that is knowledge source. Now knowledge source is an initial part of this AI assistant. Knowledge source will give your AI assistant the knowledge of your business. You have to create a documentation like I have created right here, where you need to explain about your fast food restaurant one by one, like what's my business overview, information, service mode. You can see right over here the entire menu I've entered, the offers, everything I've entered in this document right here. This is a short document because this is not a real business, but if you have a real business, you have to create a long document explaining one by one everything about your fast food restaurant in that document. Now I have created this document. There should be only two types of file accepted, PDF and TXT. I will upload my PDF file from here. So let me add the file from this section. So this is my file. I will open and upload this file right over here. As soon as I will do that, you will see the file like this. Insert the file inside Pabbly Chatflow's AI assistant. Within few seconds in the knowledge sources section, you can see the file is going to be uploaded with the vector ID. That's a positive thing. Okay. So now we have entered the correct knowledge source. Now next, let's move on to our AI assistant interface. Now if you want, you can add this AI assistant on your website as well. You have seen websites on the bottom right corner. You will see the support option. In the support, if you're going to click, you will be forwarded towards an AI assistant that automatically reply to the queries, right? You can also add that AI assistant on your website as well using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to add in the brand name, my brand name is Urban Bite Kitchen. That's my business name, so I can edit it from this section. If you want to add in the subheading, message, enable disabled powered by Pabbly, add in the footer text or link, you can definitely do that from this AI assistant interface section. Last is user first message. What message usually you receive from the users and not from your website? You have to enter that usual first message in this column. Last is styling. Styling, let's suppose if you want to change the color, theme, background, picture, you can do that from the styling section according to your branding. Okay, now the AI assistant has been created successfully. This is how easy it is to do that. Simply toggle the button on and save the AI assistant from here, and you will see the AI assistant is going to be successfully enabled and started working. Now if you want to add it on your website, you will see the embedded script. Copy the script from here, add it on your website code, and the AI assistant will be added right there as well. So now as I have created this AI assistant, now let's test this AI assistant again. I will ask my last question towards this AI assistant on my WhatsApp, and let's see whether it's replying to my query or not. So my last question is, do you have any combo offers? So I will ask this last question towards this assistant. You will see within few minutes I will receive the reply right here. I have received the reply. Yes, we have these combo offers. These are the combo offers. So as I've received the reply, this means this AI assistant is now working successfully. Now if you have questions or doubts related to the creation of this AI assistant, you need to comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Now one thing, if you want this AI assistant should be automatically enabled to all the chats who is sending you the messages from their end. In that case, how you can do that? For that, go to settings option and go towards this inbox settings section. In inbox settings, if you will scroll down till the end, you will come to the AI auto reply settings option. Enable this section. Select the list to whom you want to automatically assign this AI assistant to, and select the AI assistant from the drop down and save this rule. This is how you automatically enable to all the contacts this AI assistant. And if you want to specifically enable the assistant for a user, go towards inbox section, select the contact to whom you want to automatically assign this AI assistant. Simply over here under the number, you have to select the choose AI assistant section, toggle this button on and select the assistant that you want to assign and save this rule. To this specific chat, the assistant is going to be automatically assigned. So as now we have created this assistant successfully. If you have questions or doubts related to this, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Automate the WhatsApp conversations in your fast food business as well right away. And if you want to purchase this amazing software's plan, that is Pabbly Chatflow's plan, yearly or lifetime deal, use the code ANGYT to get instant discounts right away. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.